Nearly got run over. He's not even left home Shenzhen yet.
I think, are you going to make it back alive, Shenzhen?
15,000 kilometres to go.
Hi there, we're in a taxi. We're just off the university in, where's that? Shenzhen? Just north of Shenzhen, Chinese University, to get a train up to Luwu.
Or Lok Ma Chau.
Or Lok Ma Chau.
Whichever one comes first.
We're now getting onto the train at University Station. And
First class. I only travel first class.
it only travels first class. And hopefully he's given me this nice hat, which is very kind of Gavin. I'm not sure it suits me at all, but never mind. So this is another first. We're in first class. Gavin has decided that he needs to fix his boot problem on a bloody train. Why did I bring him?
Yeah, look. Boot problem. Boot solution.
So apparently this is Electronic Street, where you can pick up anything. Electronic. Look at that.
Every single one of these buildings is a mall of electronics, the same as what you're about to see, or very similar to.
You hit me with the H-E-Y, I'ma hit you with the boy bye. You told me that I'm too closed off, but you know that I'm not involved with playboys. I don't wanna be your play toy.
Electric vehicles are everywhere. Taxis are blue. They look like police cars to me every time I saw them. Everyone kept on coming up to me, and I was thinking, oh my God, they're going to arrest me already.
What are we doing?
We're in a second shop now.
No, we're not. This is new place.
A new place.
Oh, the second shop, but not second hand.
Yeah. Not second hand here.
Second building.
Oh, we're trying to find a computer that's going to be good enough to run Adobe Pro.
Remember what I said?
Adobe Premiere on a light PC. And we've just seen one for 2,500 Hong Kong, so that's about 250 quid sterling, and that was a bargain, but it was heavy, very heavy. I need light and small and 14-inch. This street is it's like got one of these department stores all the way down, and they're huge. Great view. Like I told you, I get vertigo. Am I going to be all right? The paradise for computers and geeks. I think we found a MacBook Pro. Oh, sorry. It's still there. Yeah. I think we found one.
If you need a MacBook, you need a 16 GB RAM.
You want me to translate?
Graphics card. GPU.
Graphics card.
Yeah, graphics card 8 GB.
8 GB.
So it's about from here, as you can see, he's getting more and more irate with me and my lack of understanding, I think, of the mix-up between the need for a graphics card and the not need for a graphics card on a Mac computer. He gets more and more cross until the point where Gavin finally intervenes and we walk away before he throws me out of the shop.
Sorry. I'm sorry. So we've just done that. We've seen a Mac that would work. It's $6,000, second hand, and we just come here. Guangdonghua? 镜头
The story is not. Wait 5 minutes. My boss send for you.
Hi.
Okay, 没问题。
There we go. 5 minutes, and we've got spicy beef. and tofu skewers. That is spicy beef on the left, and this is tofu on the right. And then for drinks, we have a passion fruit beer. Say hello, Gavin.
Hello.
Okay, you might be able to hear in the background, we've just heard a piano. So I'm going to go and have a little bash. This is Shenzhen. Here we are. We found a piano. Yeah.
I'm getting a cold. The things we do for Noddy.
I think that means we're off to go and find another Mac Pro M1. Yeah, I know it says red. It's red. Look down there. Oh, it's green now. And now we can go. Didn't notice that last time.
You know why they have them on the ground?
I got run over like this.
You know why they have them on the ground?
Why?
Because people are, Shenzhen are always looking at their
they're
phones.
always looking at their phones.
Yeah.
Of course, they're
So
not looking up.
Have to put lots of
they've
green and red lights on the ground.
the traffic lights to be in the ground. That is
Cool,
a
huh?
sensible country if ever I saw one. No, I'm going. Shenzhen. No, I'm wrong country. Shenzhen. Oh, look at that. Oh! Nearly got run over.
He's not even left home Shenzhen yet.
I think, are you going to make it back alive from Shenzhen?
15,000 kilometres to go. And I can't even get out of Shenzhen. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
So they're just exchanging WeChats so that we can talk with each other clearly, because the Guangdonghua or Cantonese kind of ain't working. But I think they're saying here at the moment that this is a brand new. This is an M2 Mac Pro, 16 gigabit, and with I think it's only got 256 drive. But I mean, I'll live with that because it's only got 1 terabyte. But the 1 terabyte drive is absolutely correct. It's too much money, right?
No. Don't look grumpy.
Tell him, will everyone please tell him, just don't look happy and excited, just look grumpy.
Talk.
Life lesson, never volunteer any information unless asked.
Just need to make sure it bloody works as well. What's she saying for it?
7,600, I think.
Well, that's got to be worth it, isn't it? If it's newer.
Unless it's 76,000. I might be wrong.
I don't think it could be 76,000, do you?
Please answer in the comments below what you think it is. The correct answer wins a Go Noddy t-shirt.
It's definitely not 76,000, don't be dumb. This is a new open sample.
And 1 year warranty.
Yeah.
What does that compare to where we were? 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, you some say? Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. c'est普通话。
very
好普通话。幾多錢啊？10蚊。It's an extra 150 quid, but it's new.
Oh, can we go home yet?
No.
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 Can we go home yet?
No. 唔好。唔係even。
去邊度啊？
Right, so we are now on the final journey. We're going to go into the shop
Final
and see if we
journey.
can purchase this one for 6,000. We looked at the other shop and it was 7,500, but it was brand new out of the box, apart from that other thing, but it's exactly the same spec, exactly the same year. Battery life might be a bit lower, but we'll just need to check that out. And we're going to try and get rid of this one and a discount and a 1 year's warranty.
Can we go home yet?
Without me ruining the sale entirely and you getting so cross. Wish us luck.
Can we go home now?
No. So, Gedicina. Gedicin, how much? Gedicin? Guangdonghua?
You can
幾多錢？
you can speak 廣東話。
好，廣東。
We have the old computer can trade in.
1 to 20.
Trade
This
in.
is which
trade.
model?
Yeah, but it's not well.
But it's broken.
It's
Can
broken.
The screen is broken.
Oh, so it's broken.
Battery,
and the battery is
dead.
dead.
Oh, battery
Yeah.
dead.
So can trade in on
So, L
2018,
2019. Yeah.
1,600 to repair.
But
he's very honest.
yeah, but
Too honest. We'll keep that and pay the extra $200. I'll take that. I'll give it to a charity. I'll get it.
No. I'd like him to have it. 5,008. You keep that? 5,008. Hey, let's do this.
好啊，得㗎啦。唔使。攞錢800萬。得㗎啦，俾錢。OK。
Yep.
好啊。
WeChat 呢度。
Hey.
okay.
Thank you very much. 唔該晒。謝謝。謝謝。
唔使客氣啦。
I'm really glad that Gavin has come with me all this way.
Me too.
I really am. I couldn't have done it without him. I really. And I was thinking of doing this all by myself. I'm just so glad that I've got Gavin with me. And I've asked him to come on my trip, but he won't come with me. Yeah, we can go home. Yeah, we can go home. Until next time, everybody. Goodbye.
If you make it back.
From Go Noddy. Oh, please like and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Click the
Like
button.
and subscribe and click and that thing.
Bye.